Hey everyone, if Opera GX is running slow, lagging, or taking too long to load pages, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to speed up Opera GX and improve performance. First, close any unused tabs and background apps. Too many open tabs can seriously slow down your browser. Next, restart Opera GX. Yeah, this clears temporary memory issues and can instantly improve speed. Use Opera GX's built-in GX control to limit CPU and RAM usage. This helps keep performance stable while browsing. Some extensions slow down your browser, so disable unnecessary extensions to improve speed. Corrupted cache and cookies can slow down page loading. Clearing them may improve overall performance. Opera GX may still run background processes after closing. Yeah, disabling background activity can free up system resources. Make sure your browser is updated. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Turn on hardware acceleration to improve rendering speed. So this helps reduce CPU load and improve smoothness. Sometimes malware or heavy background software can slow everything down. Running a quick scan can help identify issues. If nothing works, reset Opera GX settings to default. Yeah, this removes hidden settings that may be slowing your browser. If performance issues continue, contact Opera GX support. They can help diagnose deeper system or browser problems. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Opera GX slow performance and make your browsing experience much faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.